shovel the easy street into the hole. We've been using it for 3 years now. We like the way it worked, so we continued to use it. We have several holes throughout town. This is one of the main streets from the school, so we try to maintain it for the school buses. It's cloudy and rainy, but it still works really, really well. We use a hand tamper to press it down. Of course, the traffic later on around 3 o'clock will definitely help push it down even more. Super simple, it's done, it stays there. Sweep out the hole of any loose debris that may be in there from over the winter. And put it in at any kind of weather, pouring down rain, doesn't matter. Yeah, we like to leave it a little high. Once all these school buses and other people picking up their kids from school roll through this afternoon, and it will stay in there and level with the ground instead of lower than the ground. But it's permanent. I mean, we get a lot of traffic here. We've patched several of these holes along here with the Easy Street over the past 3 years, and they're all still here.
Easy Street, showing potholes who's boss.